Hi, today we're going to learn how to count 1 to 10 in Hausa language. Firstly, let's listen to Grandpa as he counts.
Ɗaya, biyu, uku, huɗu, biyar, shida, bakwai, takwas, tara, goma. Ɗaya.
Good, thank you, Grandpa. Now, let's listen attentively and watch the slides closely as he says them twice this time.
Ɗaya, ɗaya, biyu, biyu, uku, uku, huɗu, huɗu, biyar, biyar, shida, shida, bakwai, bakwai, takwas, takwas, tara, tara, goma, goma.
Okay, let's summarize the lesson we just had. Daya is 1, Biu is 2, Uku is 3, Hudu is 4, Biyar is 5, Shida is 6, Bakwai is 7, Takwas is 8, Tara is 9, and finally Goma is 10. So, how was the lesson? Easy, right? Keep practicing and join us next time. Bye.